Ready to transform your editing skills and create top-notch content? Here's how. First up, content editing. This is where you shape the overall structure and flow of your piece. Start by reading and editing large notes. Learn to recognize different text patterns and structures. Online courses can be super helpful here. Next, technical editing. This is all about catching grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. Use tools like Grammarly and Hemingway app for practice. Dive into books like the Chicago Manual of Style. And don't forget to practice with your own notes and friends. Finally, proofreading. This is the fine-tuning stage. Read carefully, paying close attention to details. Use tools like Copyscape to ensure originality. For general advice, get comfy with editing software like Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Join online communities on sites like Scribophile and Reddit. And don't overlook online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning. With these steps, you'll edit more efficiently and become a top-notch editor in no time. Happy editing!